What's up, guys? I'm back like I never left. In this video, I'm going to be talking about penny stocks and stocks to watch. I'm going to go over exactly in detail. We're going to be listening from the CEO. I'm going to go over exactly the price action and what to expect for these companies. I'm going to cover all this important information coming up. Now, before we get into the video, I appreciate if you hit the like button. If you have any comments, any questions, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. So the first company we're going to be talking about is Direct Communication Solutions. So we're going to be going in detail, talk about this penny stocks. We're also going to be hearing from the CEO exactly what this company is all about and what is the potential of looking into this company. So when you look at exactly what they do, so the direct communication server differences simplifies lot business solutions end-to-end device to cloud platform solutions. So LOT means the Internet of Things, and they're trying to tap into $1 trillion market, one solution at a time. So when you go in detail, look at their website, this is going to be the main solution that they're trying to provide for different type of businesses. So they have the direct communication solution engineering. They have the MI Fleet, which is designed cloud-based fleet management solution that is highly customizable, user-friendly, and cost-efficient. The applicable industry size is estimated to be 1.5 trillion USD. We have the MI sensors. We have the lot and beer. So we're going to be going over in detail, talk about exactly how they're planning to expand and help the different type of businesses. We're going to be hearing from the CEO, and I'm going to come back, and then we're going to look at exactly the price action, and we're going to look at exactly, what is the potential for this company moving forward. Now, first, let's hear from the CEO explaining to us exactly what this company is all about.
Chris, could you give us an introduction to the company?
Sure. So DCS is a Internet of Things solutions integration company. So we look for problems to solve for people, and then in turn give them a solution to their problem that creates an ROI and generates revenue and money for the company as well.
So you do have a variety of products. Can you explain them to us?
We do. We really focus on a couple of different areas. One is the fleet side. So we have a full fleet solution, everything from dots on the map to ELD and in between. So, any type of peripherals for, tire pressure monitoring systems, fuel level systems, key fobs, driver ID, ELD, the whole gamut. The second area we're really focused on is the sensor side. So we just launched our own brand of sensors and line of sensors. So, we're pretty much first to the market with a 8-in-1 sensor function type sensor solution. And we really think it's going to be a game changer moving forward.
Yeah. How are you seeing your products? How are you seeing products increase traction with your clients during the coronavirus? Is that something that's affected you in any way?
It has. It's been tough. 2020 was a tough year. 2021 looks, much brighter. The pandemic really put it hurt the industry. It displaced a lot of people, made people look at their business, look at different ways to doing it. And, that's really where we step in by, providing those solutions that offer efficiencies for people to run their business.
So what have you seen so far? I mean, how do you see your products getting increased traction in 2021?
So we kind of made a pivot in our business model midway through the pandemic, where we started offering more services for people. And by that, I mean, instead of us shipping a box or a product to somebody, we now take on more of those services side. So we'll do the SIM insertion, provisioning, activation. We'll do a lot of services now that allow people to really focus on their core business, which is selling products.
And the Internet of Things itself as a sector, how do you see that taking off?
Growing fast. It's unlimited possibilities and opportunities out there right now. And it's really about, going back to the basics of, harvesting that big data inside of a business or a facility, and then giving that back to the owner so they can efficiently run their business.
So what is the plan for 2021? How will you build out the business?
So 2021 is really going to be the year where, we really start focusing more on, recurring type of revenue solutions. So we're going to start really providing solutions to people that are affordable, cost effective, easy to deploy, but, really most importantly, giving them the data to efficiently run their business. And, there's a lot of data out there that, can be harvested. It's not being harvested today. And once you, really drill down on it, the monetary value to a business owner is it's massive for them.
So as you can see right here, as the company, since it IPO'd last year, the stock price actually dipped to around 0.85 cents. It hit a high of $2, and then it went down, and right now slowly trending higher and higher. It's in a very constant uptrend. But if you want to do more research about it, you can definitely check out their investor presentation on their website to look in detail about exactly what is their strategic plan moving forward in order to generate and to help businesses grow. So we heard from the CEO, Chris, explain to us exactly what this company is and how they provide solutions, and they have different opportunities, and they actually partner with a lot of major companies. So this is some of the advantages, and some of the solutions that provide the MI fleet, the MI sensors, the web service, API, and NL services, and also they have the IP fleet. So these are considered to be the DCS solutions. And when you look at in detail and look at some of the major brands that they're working with, we have companies like Verizon, we have Sprint, as you can see over here. As you can see over here, the revenue has been increasing from 2017 to 2019. And of course, you can definitely check out and do more research about this company if you're interested, So now let's go over and look at exactly, what are the other top 3 companies we need to be watching out for this upcoming week. So for this upcoming week, we have the ARKX ETF that can be announced tomorrow, this upcoming week. So we talked about the past few days that we need to watch out for these best companies because they can see more volatility. So one of the stocks that we talked about was going to be KTOS. As you can see, it went up to above, $2. It went up 2.81%. We also talked about TRMB. This is also another company you need to watch out for. It actually shot up 3%. It's close to breaking out. If it continues to trend higher, we have Space, which is SPCE, Virgin Galactic Holdings, and another company that I didn't cover, but you need to definitely watch out for. It's going to be, GILT. This is a company that has been trading lower and lower, depending upon what happens with the overall stock market. If investors are excited about their ARKX ETF, and if Cathie would start to get involved in these companies, we can definitely see some massive spikes in these companies moving forward, So we also have some other companies that are going to be reporting earnings that you need to be watching out for. We have BlackBerry. A lot of people got involved in BlackBerry, of course, due to the whole GameStop, AMC short squeeze that's happening. They're going to be announcing their earnings reports on Tuesday after hours. We have Chewy also announcing their earnings report after hours on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have Micron. We're going to have a short week this week. We have a Friday, the stock market is going to be closed. But before that, these are going to be all the companies that are going to be reporting earnings for this upcoming week. So definitely keep an eye on it. Of course, if you have any questions, any comments, make sure to drop in the comments below. Make sure you manage your risk if you want to get involved in any of these companies that we talked about. The stock market has been really rough, going up and down, especially depending upon which sectors you're involved in right now. So definitely manage your risk. And if you want to get free stocks, free Bitcoin, check out the links in the description box below. But I catch you guys on another video. Let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.